Hello everyone. Welcome back to GES Quick News. I'm Jest from GES iTech Solutions, bringing you the latest updates from the Ghana Education Service. Today, on September 30th, 2024, the management of the Ghana Education Service released an important statement regarding the update on the collective agreement with teachers' unions. The release reveals that the Honourable Minister convened a meeting today with the leadership of the teacher unions to discuss the remaining items on the collective agreement for implementation, as well as other outstanding issues. According to the statement signed by Deputy Director General Stephen Kwaku Owusu, significant progress has been made in implementing the remaining items of the agreement. This has led to a mutual understanding between the Ministry of Education, the Ghana Education Service, and the teacher unions. In his letter, he urged regional directors to relay this information to all teachers through their respective metro, municipal, and district directors of education. The focus remains on ensuring that teachers stay in the classroom with their students, emphasizing the importance of teaching and learning as outstanding issues are resolved. Stephen Kwaku Owusu also took a moment to express gratitude to all teachers for their dedicated service and ongoing support, especially as we celebrate Teachers' Week globally. This update comes at a crucial time for our educators, highlighting the collaborative efforts between the government and teacher unions to address concerns and improve the education sector. We will keep you updated on any further developments regarding the collective agreement and how it impacts our teachers and students. Be sure to stay tuned to GES Quick News for all the latest updates in education. Thanks for watching. I'm Jest from GES iTech Solutions. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.